Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I finally get to show you a little bit more of my Sephora favorite boxes that I bought from Sephora. So this one is kind of really special because these are Sephora Kohls exclusive sets. So you can't get these in the Sephora freestanding store. You can only get these in the Sephora Kohls. And they say in the corner right here, only available in Sephora at Kohls. So that's how you know that it's an exclusive. And it says it right here in the corner right there. So the other ones I got were not Sephora Kohls exclusives. I did purchase that from like a freestanding Sephora. But I just wanted you guys to be able to compare, are the sets better from the Sephora Kohls or the freestanding Sephora sets better? And I have my thoughts on that, which I'll tell you throughout the video. Because I did do one set that was a Sephora freestanding set. And I saw Sephora Kohls had the same set similar. But we'll get into that soon, momentarily. So anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys two new sets. I'm going to break them up because I just feel like doing them all at one time is just a lot. So like I said, this is going to be a series of my Sephora favorite unboxings. I also bought some products from the Sephora collection. So I have them here. I'm just pulling them down because everything from the Sephora collection is 30% off right now. The sets don't qualify, unfortunately, but the products, anything Sephora collection is 30% off right now for the Sephora savings event, holiday savings event. So I'm super excited to show you some things that I picked up. Some things that I normally use and then other things I'm going to try out. So if you guys want to see an unboxing of these beauties and the stuff that I bought from Sephora for the Sephora savings, well, how do you say Sephora holiday savings event? Yes. Then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you are new to my channel, I just want to welcome ya. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I love makeup. A lot of my stuff that I film on the channel is makeup related, but I do other hauls as well on the channel, like when I go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all that fun stuff. So, but overall, if you love makeup just as much as me, you like seeing new beauty products, you like hearing honest reviews on beauty products, then I would say show your girl some love and subscribe to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone. And the only way to get there is through you lovely people on the other side of the screen. So show your girl some love. If you do watch my videos, the perks of subscribing is you'll know when I upload a new video. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll actually get an alert on your phone that tells you when I uploaded my video so you can watch it. Alrighty, so I guess let's start off with the Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. This retails for $32, and it says it has a retail value of $70. You do get a full-size NARS item, and you get a full-size Rare Beauty item as well. So that's great right off the bat. So let's see what's in here. So these are the 4 items that I received. It looks like the Tarte and the NARS are not full size. It says, oh no, the milk is full size. So that's that. If you guys didn't see my unboxing of my Sephora favorites, the holiday boxes, I'll link it down in the description below if you guys want to watch that other video, because this is kind of like the part 2 to that. And like I mentioned in the other video, the box is like a sturdy box. So you can use this if you don't have anywhere to store your makeup. You can actually use it like a makeup box. It's very sturdy and it closes nicely. So I would use it as a makeup box, but I have a whole system, like a whole room, beauty room, that I have a system of how I organize stuff. So the boxes won't be practical for me. And these are the 4 items. So we're going to look into this in a second. Alrighty, so this looks like a gloss in neutral. Very pretty natural color. I definitely would wear this like with a brown liner. So right off the bat, I'm happy with the first item. The next thing is a NARS Orgasm, like a mini. This is like a pretty, like everyday, it's clear with a little gold sheen. Very pretty, anybody can wear that. The next thing I got is a Milk Makeup. This is a, it says electric glossy lip plumper. Very nice. And the last thing is, these things went viral on TikTok. The Maracujo Juicy Lip Plumpers. They don't smell like anything. But yes, this is not the full size. This is just a travel size. But nevertheless, I get to try it. So those are the 4 things. Short and sweet for the first set. But like if you're just looking to try some new lip products, I think that's a great deal for $32. Alrighty, on to the next one. On to the next one. This one was $34, and like I said, it was a Sephora Kohls exclusive. You get a little bit more items in here for just a couple dollars more. This retails for $92. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So pretty much I have everything in this box. The only thing I don't have is this palette right here, but I own everything in this box already. But I said you can never have too much mascara. The Fenty gloss is like a nice neutral that you can never have too much of. And it's like a mini of the Lash Serum, which that can't be bad either. So I'm going to take everything out and show you guys. Alrighty, so the one thing that I'm excited about is this Natasha Denona Retro palette. It's just a mini, good for travel, but I love this. I may wear this tomorrow. This is very, very cute. Excited for that. Alrighty, the next thing you get is a Fenty Gloss in Fenty Glow. This is the Gloss Bomb Glosses. I believe I have this color already. Or is it the pinker one? I don't know, but nevertheless, this is a pretty shade, so not turning this down. Very nice. I have this Ela mascara, the Limited Lash Mascara. I have both of them. I mean, it's nothing spectacular. I don't think the mascaras are anything spectacular. My favorite mascaras is, I love like the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. That's like one of my favorites mascaras. So, but yes, we got that. I'm not going to open it because the lifespan starts once you open it. So I'll open it when I get closer to using it. Grande Lash Serum. So just a mini travel size if somebody hasn't tried it. I mean, I don't think you're going to see that much of a difference with just this sample size. But the full size, you'll definitely see some results. And then I got the Rare Beauty a liquid blush, which is so opaque. I don't know if you've ever tried their liquid blushes. So opaque, a little bit goes a long way. This little thing will last a lifetime. That's all I gotta tell you. So that was that set. And then let me show you some things that I bought for myself. Since the Sephora collection was 30% off, I'm like, let me take advantage. So I heard so much good things about the Best Skin Ever foundation and the Best Skin Ever concealer. So I bought both of those. The color that I chose was 50N, and the concealer I chose was 31Y. So supposedly this is supposed to be a dupe for Shape Tape concealer. I don't know if I would say all of that, but it was nice. It was nice. And then the foundation was okay. I like a full coverage foundation, and this is giving me medium to full vibes, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna keep the both of them. You got it. I got it for practically dirt cheap. The Sephora collection is already cheap to begin with, but to get 30% off, hey, done deal for me. Then I saw the blushes on TikTok, like they went viral, and I'm like, I need to find out the hype about these blushes. But let me tell you something. This is the shade I got. They are worth the hype. Like, Sephora, do not sleep on the Sephora blushes. They're so opaque. Wow, wow, wow. So today I have on this one, which is called Tiger Lily. It's like a duo color. One, because sometimes I can't wait till I unbox everything and then use the makeup. Sometimes I'm like, I just want to try it. So I put this on because my shirt is Halloween themed and it has orange pumpkin. So I'll do a little orange blush there. Nice, I just swirled it all around. Love, love, love this blush. But yesterday I had this pink blush on and I was surprisingly surprised at how pigmented this blush is. The next thing I got is I love their eyeliners. They're always sold out because they're such a great eyeliner. They're very pigmented. I want to say they're like around $12, $13. And they're super pigmented. They're waterproof. They stay on all day. So I bought a black one. Actually, I bought two black ones. The other one's in my beauty room. And I looked to find it and I can't see where I put it. I can't find it. So there, I did buy two though. This is the one that I didn't use yet. That's still in the wrapper. And then I figured I'd buy a brown one too. It's called Matte Charcoal. The other one is called Matte Black. The charcoal one, now that I look at it, looks gray. So I think I grabbed the wrong one. I wanted a dark brown. But nevertheless, I'll still use a charcoal because it's still, they look very similar like in color. So I'll still be able to use it. And that is all she wrote. What did you guys think about the Sephora favorite sets that I bought? Speaking of that, what I was going to say is the Sephora Kohls had a Sephora like hair favorites set. And that one was a little bit cheaper than a Sephora freestanding store because there was a little bit more items in it. But I feel like for a couple of dollars more, the Sephora Kohls one probably was like a better value. But nevertheless, I mean, I think they're all the same for the most part. But I love doing these Sephora favorites sets because you get to try like their favorites, like the things that sell well in a Sephora shop, and you've tried all of the top things in the store. So every year I buy like 3, 4, 5, 6 of their favorite sets. And I absolutely love it. It's a good way to try stuff. It's kind of like a mystery box, but not a mystery box, but in the sense that you get to try a whole bunch of stuff for a low value. It's not as expensive. So that is it. That's all she wrote. Let me guys know what you think about my haul. Part 2. And I'm going to do a little bit more of the Sephora favorite sets. Like I said, they're going to be broken up. So it's not like a repetitive, this box, this box, this box, this box. I can break it up a little bit. So stay tuned for the next box for that. And I love and miss you guys. And see you guys all in the next video. Bye.